Hello, beautiful people. I'm Nehal, aka your guardian angel, and I'm here to remove all the blocks between you and your desires. Okay? Here we are going to talk about a special manifestation method, kind of like a way of thinking, a mindset shift that is going to make you feel so focused in manifesting, and everything is going to become really, really easy. Okay? So, what is this actually? It is the complaining method. Maybe some of you have heard about it, but it's like, see, I will confess, I am a complainer. I have started complaining less and less over the years, but somehow, even if I have money, I have everything, I still complain about something. And I am trying to do it less and less, but what can I say? I do complain. So, what I do is I complain about things that I want in the future. I'll explain. For example, right now, if you're single, you're complaining about why am I single? Men are not good these days. Women are so like this these days. And that's why I cannot find love because this is my problem. All of those things, right? We are complaining. So you can also complain about being in a relationship, even if you're single right now and you're trying to manifest a partner, let's say. So complain about being in a relationship even when you're not in a relationship. It's like, my boyfriend calls me all the time. Like, he has to tell me every day how his day went. Like, he would go on and on for 10 minutes straight, talking to me about everything that happened at work, everything that he thought, every single thought in his mind comes to me in form of words. Like, he is always talking to me. Like, he's a yapper. Like, he talks to me all the time. Like, it's like he cannot fall asleep if he cannot listen to my voice. And it's so annoying. It's so annoying. Like, he is always, just giving you an example. So you can also, like, any gender is fine, honestly. So let's say friends, you're trying to manifest friends. So start complaining about being friends with a lot of people. It's like, I have so many friends. Like, I still have like 500 messages in my WhatsApp that people are inviting me to parties and stuff. And I'm like, I cannot hang out with everyone, guys. I cannot. I don't have that much time. I have a very busy social life. I have trips planned. I have stuff going on at my work and with my partner, and I have so many things. But like, people keep inviting me. That's so annoying. Like, now I have to decide who to go out with. And it's just like, I want to sit at home and cook my own food instead of just going out at restaurants every day with my friends. Like, that's so annoying. Right? Because you're naturally a complainer, so it becomes easy for you to complain. It is really easy for you to complain, right? But you start complaining about different things than you complain about right now. So it's easy, right? Complain about having money. I did that. I did that. I still do it. And this is why I'm getting more and more money. This is why I'm making more and more friends, and I'm getting more and more beautiful. I'm like, it's so annoying that I'm so pretty. It's like everyone I meet is like, you're so pretty. And honestly, that's so annoying. Like, nobody wants to see how smart I am. Everyone is like so focused on my face and always complimenting me about my body and about my face and how pretty I am. And they don't want to see how smart I am too. Right? I'm complaining. And about money, I complain that, it's a big problem to have a lot of money, because like, there is so much money sitting in my bank account, and I look at it and it just gives me so much stress. I'm like, where do I spend this money? Buy a lot of expensive stuff, I go on trips, I give gifts to everyone I love, and I still have so much money left. So what am I supposed to do with all of this money? Like, I see it on my bank account and it's such a huge number. Now I'm like, what should I do? Should I learn investing? Should I invest in stocks, crypto? Do I have to learn about that? Do I have to hire somebody to be my portfolio manager? Do I have to invest? Should I start another business? Like, what should I do? All of this money is giving me so much stress, right? I definitely complained about clothes as well, because I didn't have enough clothes when I came to Canada. I only had like 9 or 10 pairs. Seriously, on God, I'm not even lying. This is true. So then I was like, I have so many clothes. I have so many clothes. I literally have no space to keep it. Like, suitcases full of clothes, my closet full of clothes everywhere. I'm having storage issues now because I have so much stuff, and I literally have like options for everything. I want to wear a bracelet. I have like 10 types of bracelets. I want to wear a waist chain. I have like 5 types of waist chain. I want to wear a locket. So many lockets, so many necklaces. Like, what am I supposed to wear? I cannot decide. I literally cannot decide. I've done that. Seriously, I have done that. And guess what? I do have. Like, I got free necklaces, literally. And I did that, and immediately one of my friends gave me necklaces for free as a gift. I also got skincare products as a gift. Not through my YouTube, by the way. Not through my YouTube. Because you would be like, that doesn't count. I got like lip lip oil, lip gloss. I got a lip gloss and skincare stuff, everything for free, literally. And then I started having options because then I literally started getting confused. I'm like, what should I use? I have so much stuff. I have so much stuff, right? Like, this person is so crazy about me, like, keeps on calling me all the time, like, doesn't even let me sleep, and wants to look at me every day, wants to hang out with me every day. And it's getting so annoying how this person compliments me all the time. It's kind of like I'm speaking and this person is not even listening to me, only like hypnotized by my face. It's so annoying. This has happened, by the way, multiple times. This is why I'm saying, like, if you are a complainer, please adopt this method and start doing this method. Put on a timer, do it for 10 minutes, or do it whenever you want to, like, no rules, whatever. Just when you're thinking, just start thinking about complaining about all this stuff. Like, so much money, oh my god, so many friends, oh my god. Complain about the stuff you want. This is scientifically proven, by the way. Whatever you're complaining about, you will get more of that. If you're complaining about not having enough money, you will not have enough money. If you are complaining about being single, guess what is going to happen? But if you complain about having the best parents ever, you complain about having the best skin ever, that people are not even finding you relatable. They are like, yeah, yeah, you have a good life because your skin is naturally so good, because you're naturally thin, because you naturally have an hourglass figure and all of that. Like, good for you. I mean, like, people are so mean to me because of that. Like, I'm complaining about that. And guess what? I got that too. I got that too. I got everything. So, this is why I'm saying that if you are a complainer, do this. If you're not a complainer, probably watch some of my other videos where I'm explaining other type of methods. But this is for complainers only. And no, complaining is not bad if it is getting you these things, right? Because yeah, and that's why I keep on saying, everyone, even my subscribers and my clients, that don't complain about the things that you don't want in your life. Complain about being beautiful, complain about being too beautiful, having too much money, having someone obsessed with you to the point that you are like, what is going on? Like, please, you know, complain about all of that. I complained about having too many clients as well, and I got too many clients. And I'm like, I don't know. I have to tell some people that, hey, we cannot talk this week. Maybe we'll talk next week. We'll talk after 2 weeks because I have so many clients lined up, right? So even that can happen. Like, whatever you want in your life or whoever you want in your life, complain about that. Complain about that. But then you're like, how can I even think about all of these things? Like, how can I divert my mind to the positive state or the things that I want? It's like, also like when you enter your God state, when you're like, whatever I say happens. If I complain about this, I know this will happen. So you stop doubting it because you've practiced it so many times, right? I have a God state program down below. I also have a reality shift program down below. 4 hours of training is there. 4 hours, me explaining everything about manifestation, everything about how to manifest anything on autopilot. You can get instant access. Like, the moment you would pay for it, you would get access immediately. If you want to work with me one on one, it is available down below. Meditations are available down below. Everything is there. Okay. I'm always manifesting for all of my subscribers. So, subscribe to this channel because I have so many exciting videos coming up. So, stay tuned. I love you guys so much. And I will see you in my next video very, very soon. Happy manifesting.